Garcia with Social Web Pros. Hey, thanks for reaching out on Fiverr. I appreciate you contacting me. I wanted to go over a few things with you before you hired me for the gig. I did a little bit of research on your company and on what you have online right now, and it looks to me that um, you're you have a lot of you have not a lot. You have good good citations or okay citations. Um, you're cited in several pages here from the beginning. Um, all the work you've done, the flyers and the posts that you've created. They're all here, and that looks okay. Um, I was also looking at your website, and I don't see a lot of content. I don't see a lot of content with keywords, uh, and so it's lacking content and keywords. I did an analysis on the keywords and the content. Your website's been around or it started being tracked by the artificial intelligence, the algorithms, uh, almost 3 years ago. You've been tracked for 2 years, 11 months. This is your full URL, and you haven't picked up. It hasn't picked up any keywords for you, and that's not good because that's what helps with ranking and crawling up. Keep going up on the rankings. And so your website needs a little bit of work to get recognized. I also saw that for the last 3 years, I mean, you should have a lot more backlinks. This is your website here, Fix My AC El Paso. You should have, you should be ranked somewhat, and you should have more referring domains. And I'm gonna give you a comparison because I built this website that I'm gonna show you. This one here in Avondale, Arizona, Mr. Clean Pool Service. I just built it. I used keywords. The bolded stuff, it's keywords. I put a lot of content in here, a sign up form, um, a lot of photos, nice photos. As you can see, it has a lot of content with keywords. And that's important because, these things are picked up. I'll show you, this is yours. This is Mr. Clean. Again, I just built it. It's been around 5 months. It already picked up uh, one keyword. And, keywords are super expensive to rank for. And, we're doing this organically. Um, Also, the this is the website I built. This is you. You got 27 and 0 and 17, 352 and 13. So, it's being recognized as a pretty powerful website already. I'll show you when you Google pool services uh, in Avondale. We're six. These are paid ads, as you probably know, paid ads, and we come up organically on one, two, three, four, five. We're number six. Okay, and so I built this and I optimized it, and I also optimized the website and built it. And so we're already on the first page out of 6 pages, maybe. I don't know how many pages are on here, but being on the first page is super important. Some of these listings have been around for years, and we just blew right through them. Um, and so that's that. I searched yours, AC repair in El Paso, and here you are, and you're on the second page, I think. Yeah. you're almost getting there. You do have, like I said, you have good citations, but you don't have any power on your website, and that's what's hurting you. Your website's really weak. Um, we need to add more of these. We need to get the domain rating up. So there's still a little bit of work to do, and this takes time. This is not just something you do once and that's it. You gotta, do it organically. You gotta do it naturally. I can get 50 reviews to review you on Google, but you're gonna get shut down because it's not natural that you get 50 clients in one day or in a week. So the reviewing the 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 domain, the referring domains, and the all this work that we do, we gotta do it with time. It takes time. That's why, I don't know if you ever got a bid for SEO. People want to do it in 6 months to a year. They want to do it organically and naturally, how businesses grow. And if you do it any other way, you're gonna get a red flag from uh, you're gonna send a red flag to Google, and they're gonna punish you, and they're gonna put you down on the bottom of the searches. This is another measuring tool that I use, and you got good citation flow. Like I said, you got, you're cited in a lot of places, um, but you have very low trust flow. So it's lacking trust flow, and all of these things help with, you being up on the top here on the first page in the first three or four. I should have my client up here on the three organic ones. These are free, obviously, and that's where you want to be because these guys are paid, and a lot of people are beginning to understand that these are paid ads and they're not to be trusted as much as these guys, because this is organic. They made it up naturally, from people using them, etc. And so that's what you want to do. And then this is really expensive. I don't know if you know, but it's super expensive to advertise with AdWords. So anyway, so that's my analysis. I can maintain your website um, and optimize um, your Google My Business uh, for $75 a month. I have a promo going. We normally charge 150. That's the starting rate. So we're doing it $75 a month. Um, so let me know if you're interested, okay? Thank you for reaching out.